Hi, this is Training for All. Welcome to this basic Microsoft Word tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to add a footer and a header to your Word document. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos. If you've done that, please don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to like. Now, what you do to add a header and footer, you click on Insert, and then you choose Header. And as I'm going to have a header looking like this one, so you choose any of these headers already built-in headers. So I'm going to add this one. You can see all my pages have this header. And also you can go to Insert and add a footer. I want footers like this one. So now I have my footers and my headers. I'm going back to change this header. I can have a different one. I can have a different one. Let me change the layout of my page and go to orientation. I have all straight, so we can see this clearly. Now you see I've got now my headers from page 2. And I have my footers. Now if you want to edit your headers, you just right click in your header, double click, and you can be able to change your header. You can say this is my dissertation, and you can see that all the pages will have the same header, and the footers can have the footer number page. If you don't know how to do this, check in the description below. We explain how to do how to add page numbers, and I say thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.